Okay, I was just about to dish up my dinner and the doorbell rang and UPS came. A Spice Affair. It arrived. I was hoping to have it for Canada Day, but it didn't happen that way. So anyways, let's unbox this and see what we got from A Spice Affair. There's the little card. All right, we got another box inside. Give me 1 minute. Is that not pretty or what? And there's a little heart there. Let's open this up, my friends. Can we see? Look at this. Okay, I'll hold them up and show you. Boy, what beautiful packaging. Oh, that even comes out. Look at that. A Spice Affair. Thank you for joining the Spice Affair family. Step into the spice verse with your new premium spices. We're so excited to be part of your kitchen adventures. Our spices are crafted with love and a pinch of magic. We hope that they make your taste buds dance. Amen. I can't even say his name. I should learn how to say that properly. President and founder. Dare to fall in love. Okay, I dare. Because I've already fallen in love with these spices. It was kind of cool. Okay, we'll get that out in a minute. I want to show you. So this was kind of what they were calling like the smash burger, right? Yeah, smash burger, or it's all for the... maybe I should get these out first. There we go, smash burger. There's our first one. I just love opening these and smelling these because they're just quality. Okay, quality. And I'm about quality, especially when it comes to cooking too. Well, yes, skincare, but you know, when I'm cooking, your food is only as good as your ingredients a lot of times. Okay? Yes, sometimes we can resurrect a limp piece of celery. Okay. Let's get this one opened. What do we have here in my hand, Tyra? I'm tired tonight. This is garlic parmesan. I am excited for this one because I wanted to make a Caesar salad. There we go. I have not read ingredients in here. Bear with me while we just get these out. And then we can read some ingredients. Okay. I'm snorting spices. And coughing. Okay, this one is the Montreal burger. What the heck? Woo. I'm scared to snort anymore. It's powerful spices. Last but not least, Caesar's Kiss. Oh, Caesar's Kiss. Mwah. Okay, this video is a little silly, probably because I've had half a glass of wine and I'm just overtired, but it's okay. We keep it real. Ooh. Coughing again. Caesar's Kiss. This is a vegan dressing. What's in that? Because that was to make your Caesar salad. We'll read that in a minute. Hang on, I want to get this spoon out. Okay, there should have been directions on how to get spoon out of box. Anyways, that's the tablespoon. This is really cool. It's got the little heart. It says A Spice Affair. And either size a teaspoon. And it shows half a teaspoon too. So I love this. I love this for the spices. Anyways, I'm not going to go into the ingredients tonight. But I'm pretty excited. I've got quite a few collection now of these Spice Affair spices to get using and making some delicious meals. Like, yeah, I need to buy some hamburger because we need to make a hamburger soon, especially with this Montreal burger. That's got your paprika, sea salt, black pepper, green onion, raw brown sugar, natural smoke, oregano. Come on, let's see what's in Smash Burger. Oregano, onion, red pepper, garlic, black pepper, chives, parsley. No oregano, I was seeing things. Okay, and then we got the Parmesan, garlic Parmesan. And that has nutritional yeast, garlic, sea salt, black pepper, onion, paprika, natural flavor. There's that something Tanula yeast. I can't read it. Yeast extract. Parsley, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, and then the Caesar's Kiss. What is in that one? What is in that? We got garlic, nutritional yeast, sea salt, Tanula yeast, black pepper, distilled white vinegar powder, non-GMO, white distilled vinegar, raw brown sugar, red bell pepper. Yeah, I can't read it all. I don't know. Maybe I need new glasses here or something. It's driving me bonkers. Anyways, okay. Just wanted to unbox that with you guys, and we'll see you soon for a recipe.